My name is Jim Clayton. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for the SEFA Group, and the purpose of this video today is to take a tour of our newest STAR facility. This is the only facility in the world that has the capability of processing reclaimed ash from an ash pond or from a landfill, and then being able to convert that reclaimed material into a premium product for the ready-mix concrete industry. The first stage of our process here at the new STAR facility is how we handle reclaimed fly ash. The fly ash is brought into us from an ash pond where it's been screened to -3/8 of an inch. The material as it comes into us has moisture anywhere between 18 and 22%. As we go through this process, I'll show you how we convert it from this moist or wet material into a premium dry product for the ready-mix concrete industry. The drying operation utilizes hot water that is a byproduct of the STAR process. That's heat that would otherwise just be vented to atmosphere. So the only energy demands that we have for this process come from electrical requirements to operate fans and blowers. Once the material is dried in the ash reclaimed area, it is pneumatically conveyed over to the second phase of the operation, which is the STAR process island. From the pneumatic conveying system, the ash again enters into the reactor. We stage air through the process where we introduce the fly ash. It's a very turbulent environment inside the reactor. The ash itself and the carbon that is in the ash is actually the fuel source, so it's actually a self-sustaining chemical reaction. So we need no other outside fuel sources to keep the process going once it's at temperature. The ash only spends a very short period of time inside the reactor before it leaves, where it travels through coolers which reduce the ash temperature where it can be collected in a bag house. In that cooling process, we heat the water which is used in phase one, which is the drying operation in the reclaimed ash area. Once the ash passes through those product coolers, it then goes to a bag house, a piece of equipment that separates the fly ash from the flue gas. It traps it and allows us to collect it and then transport it over to the third phase of our operation, which is the product storage and loadout. We have the ability to either store material in a product storage dome or in a loadout silo. If you remember when we started this process, we looked at material that was reclaimed in the ash building, and here's what the resultant product looks like. Not only has the color changed dramatically, but this material is extremely fine and free of any organic matter. We're able to dry the ash. It goes through a chemical reaction. We have the ability to either store material in a product storage dome or in a loadout silo. It's a premium product. We think it's a very environmentally friendly way to reclaim ash that would otherwise be left in a pond or stored in a landfill.